guys, today it's Efah, and now I'm gonna make another YouTube video. Let me just put down the camera. So, guys, like, I have a pony here. You can have a pony, but you have to cut your hair. And example, like, you have to like design your own headband. Like, I have a golden one here, and it has a butterfly on it. Choose whatever design you want. So you can put it on your hair, of course, and then you can just dance with it, or just like do some dance moves or exercise with it. So I'm doing a hair hack here. So by the way, I really like this hair hack, and I was just looking at something. I really like this hair hack, and it saves you a lot more time. And you just need to cut your hair, and you just need to make it a side pony. And then you can just, just like do something and hang out with it. Just like, I do something with it. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to do that. Bye.